turn this into this. So we're in Adobe Lightroom. We're gonna start by the temperature. I'm gonna lower it a little bit, so it's gonna be a bit colder. I'm gonna bring up the exposure a little bit, contrast. I'm gonna lower the highlights so we can bring back the details on our clouds. Shadows we're gonna bring up. The whites we're gonna bring down, and blacks we're gonna bring down a little bit. We're gonna bring up the clarity a little bit, and the haze we're gonna bring in. I'm gonna lower the vibrance and bring up the saturation. This is the first thing. Now we're gonna crop it for Instagram. Now we're going to go to the crop tool and we're gonna slide it till we see 4x5. It says here 4x5. So there you go, 4x5. Now we're gonna lock this, then scale it down. I'm gonna position the body in the middle. Then we're gonna click enter. That's it. Now we wanna bring the blacks up. I'm gonna do the HSL. I'm gonna take the hue and the oranges a little bit down, also the yellows, the aqua we're gonna take down more to the green. The blue we're gonna do more blue. The sky will be more blue. The purple more to the blue, and the saturation I'm gonna take the orange down, the yellow down, the aqua I'm gonna take up, and the blue we're gonna take a little bit up. The luminance, the orange we're gonna take down, the yellow we're gonna take down, the aqua we're gonna take up a little bit, the blue we're gonna take down, now we're gonna go to the calibration. I want a little bit more purple in it. Just gonna increase it by a bit. The red, just need to mess with it to see where you more like it. Like it more like here. I'm gonna take it up a little bit. So now after we've done all the coloration and exposure and everything, I want to get rid of this bottle and this thing. So I'm gonna take the spot removal, hit clone, match the size I want, and you want to do it little by little because it won't work if you don't. So after you've done with that, you can go back. Now we don't have the bottle anymore, and we want to make like a mask, a big mask over our body, like create a vignette. You can see we're gonna affect all around us, all around the body. And I want to take the exposure down. I want to take the exposure down, and I want to do a little bit more dehaze. And the contrast a little bit more, and click enter. So now you can see our body is like really, it's popped out. You can see it, this is the subject, but we want to make it a little bit more. So we're gonna click your adjustment brush, we want to zoom in, we want to click O so we can see where we're painting. We want a little bit more bigger. We want to paint our body. Not has to be perfect, but don't get out of the lines. If you need to take some out, you need to hold Alt and just paint out what you don't want to be affected. Now we're gonna click O again. I'm gonna go to exposure. I'm gonna bring it up a little bit. And the contrast a little bit. And that's it basically. You can get out of the brush and you can just look what we have done before, after, before and after. So it's so much better and it's perfect for Instagram. So here we go. My face is a little bit too much red in this picture, so I'm gonna go to the colors, to the saturation. I'm gonna lower down the red. That's it. Now it's perfect. There you go. A pro image with a little bit of editing. You don't need to be a pro at editing to have nice pictures. Just look how dark I am and how beautiful now. So thank you so much. Please like and subscribe. I'm gonna see you next time.